Welcome to our guide on selecting the right air conditioner for maximum performance. This video is designed for homeowners, small offices, and electricians, providing a complete overview of the selection process. We will cover 8 key areas, including why choosing the right AC matters, the different types available, cooling capacity, energy efficiency, key features, installation requirements, brand considerations, and a final checklist. Choosing the wrong AC size wastes money and can lead to problems. Oversized units cycle frequently, failing to dehumidify, while undersized ones never reach comfortable temperatures. This results in higher bills, frequent breakdowns, and uncomfortable spaces. A mismatched AC can use 30% more electricity and lead to 3 times more repairs in the first 2 years. This can shorten the lifespan by 40%, resulting in a 25% higher long-term cost. Getting the selection right is the most important decision. Section 2 focuses on knowing your options before you buy. We'll explore the main types of air conditioners to help you choose the best fit for your space. The split air conditioner is the most popular choice for homes and small offices. Pros include quiet operation and high energy efficiency. However, they require outdoor unit space and wall drilling, which increases installation costs. Window ACs are single, combined units. They offer a lower installation cost and are easier to install, fitting into a window frame. Portable ACs require no installation, offering plug-and-use portability between rooms, though they need an exhaust hose to a window. Cassette or ceiling ACs are ideal for larger rooms and offices, offering quiet operation and high capacity but requiring a false ceiling for installation. Central or ducted ACs cool entire buildings via a duct network, but have a very high initial cost and require major renovations. Section 3 addresses cooling capacity and tonnage, teaching you how to calculate the correct AC size for your room. Tonnage is a measure of cooling capacity, determined by British thermal units. 1 ton equals 12,000 BTU per hour. Higher BTU means stronger cooling power. Use the quick reference guide to estimate the right size for rooms up to 300 square feet. To calculate capacity, measure the room area in square feet, multiply it by 25 for the basic BTU needed, and adjust for conditions like sunny rooms or extra people. Finally, convert the total BTU to tons by dividing by 12,000. Section 4 covers energy efficiency and star ratings. Choosing wisely here can help you save money every month on electricity bills. Energy efficiency ratio, or EER, is the cooling output divided by power input. ISEER, or Indian Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, is the modern standard for rating split ACs across seasonal conditions, offering a more accurate measure than EER. For India, a higher ISEER value is always better. The BEE Star Rating Guide shows the ISEER value ranges and potential savings. We recommend avoiding 1-star ACs and aiming for the highest star rating your budget allows. Higher efficiency ACs usually pay back the price difference within 1 to 3 years through energy savings. Section 5 highlights key features to look for, distinguishing a great AC from an average one. Inverter ACs adjust the compressor speed, using 30 to 50% less electricity, reaching the set temperature faster, and operating very quietly. Non-inverter ACs run only on or off, making them less efficient, causing higher bills, and shortening their lifespan. Always choose an inverter AC for better performance and long-term savings. This section covers 8 key AC features. Consider the auto dehumidify mode for humid climates and the sleep/timer mode for energy saving at night. Features like self-cleaning filters and Wi-Fi/app control add convenience. Noise levels are a vital factor, especially for bedrooms. Indoor split units are the quietest, similar to a whisper, at 18 to 30 decibels. In contrast, portable ACs are much louder, resembling a vacuum cleaner at a distance, ranging from 55 to 70 decibels. We compare refrigerant types, emphasizing R32 as the best choice for its efficiency and low environmental impact. We recommend avoiding R22 due to its ozone-depleting properties and widespread ban. Section 6 focuses on electrical requirements and installation, offering critical details for both buyers and technicians to ensure a safe and efficient setup. Key electrical requirements include using the India standard 220 to 240 volts AC and ensuring a dedicated circuit for each AC unit. Proper earthing is mandatory for safety. We also list recommended MCB ratings and wire gauges for different AC tonnages. For optimal installation, mount the indoor unit 7 to 8 feet high with a minimum 6-inch clearance from the ceiling. Ensure the outdoor unit is shaded and has 12 inches of clearance. Always use a certified electrician for installation. When dealing with copper piping, use insulated pipes only. Make sure to flare connections properly to avoid leaks and maintain a short copper pipe length. Refrigerant gas should only be handled by licensed technicians. Section 7 guides you on making a smart financial decision, covering important aspects like brand reputation, budget considerations, and warranty coverage. This comparison highlights key AC brands across segments. Premium brands like Daikin offer quiet operation and excellent efficiency. Mid-range brands like Voltas and LG provide a good balance of features, service network, and price. Remember that the true cost of ownership includes more than just the purchase price. Account for installation costs, dedicated wiring, and annual electricity expenses to budget accurately. Standard warranty typically covers parts and labor for 1 year, while compressor warranty can extend up to 5 to 10 years. An annual maintenance contract, or AMC, is recommended, but always read the fine print regarding exclusions. Section 8 provides a final checklist to help you avoid common and costly mistakes, ensuring you purchase and install your AC with confidence. Avoid these major mistakes: buying an oversized AC, choosing a model based on price alone, ignoring installation quality, skipping dedicated wiring, not checking the service network, and choosing a non-inverter unit. The electrician's checklist ensures proper installation, covering pre-installation tasks like verifying voltage and wire gauge, as well as post-installation commissioning like checking pipe bends and gas pressure. Here is your complete AC buyer's checklist. Making a smart choice means selecting the correct capacity and model, confirming key features and warranty terms, and planning for servicing to ensure your AC lasts 12 to 15 years.